Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to enable or disable the hill start assist. This video will apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now I know there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure if this applies to older models, but it still should, just this screen might be a bit different. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now before I show you how to enable it, I just want to quickly explain what hill start assist is. If you are parked on an incline and you have this option enabled, the vehicle will make sure it doesn't roll backwards when you start it. And when you put to drive and remove your right foot from the brake pedal to the gas pedal, so you can safely do that without risking going backwards. To access these options, you want to tap the vehicle on the main vehicle screen, then you want to select safety and driving assistance. You want to scroll all the way down to hill start assist, and here you can turn it off or turn it on, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.